I am Dr. Hesham Affifi. I'm a digital transformation and a cyber security instructor and consultant. I do have a 27 years plus of experience. Some of these years included United States and Canada, like almost like 12 years in the United States. The rest was like in Egypt and the Gulf area. As a cybersecurity instructor, I've been in delivering courses since like 2006 until today. As a digital transformation like consultant, I help it. Uh, to begin with, as an engineer, I did work in like mega projects in the United States and some of them in Egypt as well. I participated in so many like strategic planning when it comes to digital transformation. I do have a PhD in digital transformation, project management. I do have a Master's of Business Administration in e-business, and primarily I do have a Bachelor's of Information Systems from Ain Shams University, Egypt. When it comes to technical certification, I began or I have acquired my first certification in back then, 1998, which was like A plus, followed by Network Plus, CCNA, CCNP, Microsoft Certified Professional, 1999. Then I became an MCSE, like Microsoft Certified Systems Engineer, in the same by the end of 99. After that, all I have acquired most of the Microsoft certifications until 2000, I believe, like 2014. I am a certified ethical hacker since 2010, Unix certified, Linux certified. Eventually, I have acquired also, what was it? Uh, some of I continued like acquiring certificates from EC Council, CompTIA, eventually, and additionally, I am a certified instructor from EC Council. Honestly speaking, the content is great. I mean, I have went through many courses. I remember over the past 2.5 years, the content was really very well written, very detailed. The combination of the content, like the text content, the laboratories, the exercises, the videos, and the virtual labs is really doing great, and more than not more than anybody needs or any students, but actually it helps you more than many or most platforms I have seen in the market. To be honest, I have not provided. Uh, I wasn't able to provide any of my students with your materials uh, because I don't have any like people to do marketing for me and stuff like this. The only chance I had like twice to introduce your product, but for some reason it didn't go through. Uh, I don't have any experience with like specific students in this part. However, at the personal level, believe it or not, I liked the way you have introduced some of the courses, such as Security Plus. I went through the content. It was really written in a very good way. As an instructor, I gained lots of benefits from going through your content. Uh, Unfortunately, I don't have any experience with the students. Like I don't know any students who went or who used your materials. Okay, to put it through, I have not directly delivered courses using your materials, to be honest. But as I mentioned a minute ago, uh, I improved the content, uh, or I have improved the way I'm delivering my courses, especially the Security Plus. I was able to catch the idea from the from your courses to embed like some activity questions, some flashcards, some quizzes. It helped me to enhance my own courses because even though delivering myself like delivering Network Plus, Security Plus until now, either I rely on the that's because of or according to my client requests. Okay, I deliver courses based on the materials they purchase from CompTIA because most of the time they are partners, so they have the materials, whether instructor materials or student materials. So I have nothing to do with this. So I am basically I have to go their own way. I have not, to make it short, I have not used your materials directly to deliver courses. However, for my own benefit, I followed your footsteps. The way you design your courses, it helped me to enhance one of my courses eventually. Instructors, yes, definitely, definitely. But we have only one obstacle. If you allow me to mention it here, and you can, of course, like cut it if you want from the video. The only thing is, when I spoke to many of the organizations, the academies, or like teaching companies I deal with, the only thing is they consider you guys as a competitor, you know? So that's why I wasn't able to sell your product to them or market your product to them. On the other hand, yes, I do encourage uh, my colleagues, instructors. Most of the time, I refer your platform to my colleagues, instructors, doctors, university professors. Most of the time I do this. I refer your platform. Why? Because I tell them it's a good source of course materials.
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Hisham, for this. Let me stop the recording now.